everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today I'll be talking about how to use Tinder Top Picks feature. So first thing first guys, Tinder Top Picks is a premium feature which includes Tinder Gold or Platinum that curates a daily small set of highly compatible potential matches designed for efficient swiping. You can access it by going into the app, and then if you have a premium feature, you will be able to see the diamond icon at the top of your screen. Tap that diamond icon to see your curated list. Now you can swipe right to like, left to pass, or use a super like on these profiles just like regular matches. Now your top picks refresh every 24 hours, meaning the list changes daily. While all users get one free pick per day, viewing and swiping on the full list requires a Tinder Gold or Tinder Platinum subscription. Also, if you want more than the daily batch, you can buy extra top picks within the app, which remain available for 24 hours. You can use the Tinder Passport feature to view top picks in different cities around the world. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.